blai pi baro ni pliang zbai pi chakne to kubor jungi upek ngor cable news haswa bangini kemi ki kubor ki babnya na gajan mien ngena phashwa skimat bokongsan joko kubor mentag tayo lumu menteri rangba agajingelang ka kunhun menteri Syuaban Asyuti yakinong tre sarkar kerpat menteri rangba badu sembut menteri rangba ayo Amit Shah ban penteri kamno ek airline permit hagajella oniki kino hekai school deficit lada sarkar kampen kino yaga dianas allowance Bamsiwi ketulap Kangtala ki MDC keseng VPP yang kekerdap jangka Jante Hills Autonomous District Council. Syapan perah nyutli ki karkhana kok kaki bor kenya distrik ke East Jante Hills. Plia ke KSU yu umat basyirin yang jong melung sosotham hakakot jong ke skol ba nehu hasilong. Aga jengra ki adap sis pa snem penbena uba Preston Tonsong ban aish pulak tengka ya ka Maukap Presbyterian Lower Primary School. Kajing rakhe bagajing pediang ya ka Christmas leng bag surjing ruai ha ka program Christmas jong PCN. Menteri Rangba Gajela Megalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha ka sinto diang jong tayo ulalu me kajingelang jong ka kunhun menteri. Pat lesi ka ne kala bandairu kajingelang jong ka kunhun menteri ka bakaddo e jong ne kasnam arajar arpusan. Ha ne kajingelang ka sarkar jela kala syem ya buntli kirai ki bakongsan.
Cabinet has taken a very, very important and a very landmark decision and a major reform when it comes to the education sector. I am very happy to inform the people of the state and more importantly the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers that the Cabinet today has approved the proposal that was given by the Education Department to number one, create a structured pay for the ad hoc and the SSA teachers. Number two, to have a yearly increment program for them so that they don't get stuck at a particular salary. The salary also, the base salary has been also enhanced on the basis of seniority. So somebody who's been serving for 15 years, 20 years, compared to somebody who's serving only for 1 year, 2 years, were getting the same salary before. So we have created some scales and categorization in terms of the period of service and given a minimum increment for each one of them. And number three, most important, is that the job security is there for them. So today, when SSA teachers are there, we understand that there is some doubt in their mind about the future of their jobs. The ad hoc teachers also, they have some doubt about their jobs. And therefore, this particular move and decision of the Cabinet will ensure that there is a job security for the SSA as well as the ad hoc teachers. And also we have put a provision where under the, there will be contribution to the CPF, which will be done both by the teachers and the governments to ensure that when they do retire, that there is some kind of a safety and security for them post-retirement also. This also, we have decided that this will be implemented in a form of a society, and there'll be a society that will manage all of this. So all of these factors have been proposed today, and these were the salient features of the proposal. We have the exact numbers and everything with us, but I will not share that with you today because we are going to implement this from the 1st of April 2026, as was promised by me about a month back, that we are going to conclude this before Christmas and we are going to implement it by the 1st of April. And I'm fulfilling that commitment made to our teachers. And in the next 3 months post the New Year's, we will work on exactly the mode of implementation, the different administrative procedures required. And through that period, I will then inform you about the detailed numbers. But these numbers have already been discussed with the SSA teachers and with the ad hoc teachers. And it is with that approval and with the discussion with them that we have brought this to the Cabinet. And today the Cabinet has approved. There are certain small concerns that are being raised. We will be ironing those concerns out as we move along. But in principle, the broad structure today has been finalized. And as I said, it's a major reform, because you have to understand that this will lead to future reforms that are very much necessary in the education sector. And this will also lead to, as I said, a very structured pay in the future for the SSA and the ad hoc teachers, so that they don't have to be worried about their increments again. They don't have to be worried every 3 years, every 5 years of coming to the government, keep on demanding that they should be given higher salaries. So the incremental, the pay that they will be getting every year will take care of those concerns. And we are hopeful that with this major decision today that's been taken, as promised by us about a month back, as I said, will lead to a huge reformation in the education department, which I will share with you post New Year's once we start the administrative procedure of implementing this particular decision that has been taken today. So I want to share this with all of you, and in a way it's like a positive Christmas news for our teachers. This is something that the teachers have been demanding for a very, very long time. From the moment I joined and I took over as Chief Minister, even before that, for many, many years and decades, this has been a long, long pending demand of the SSA and the ad hoc teachers. And I'm happy that our MDA government today has taken this bold decision to take this forward and find a solution once and for all to this problem, which has been discussed in detail in multiple meetings with the teachers. I thank the teachers for their cooperation and for their patience. And I thank the Education Department, the Minister and the Commissioner Secretary and all the officials who have worked tirelessly to come to this point. And as I said, this will be a major, major game changer and a major decision that is going to reform the education sector in the days to come.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma badu sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Presiden Tensong. Hakasi ublay jang katayo balala kilala ya kendo yo Menteri Korbari ke Sarkar Pedang wa Amit Shah. Ban kerpat biang ban menjurno ban penteri kam mek lain permit ha Kejela Meghalaya. Kenang ban lak ban tek kam mek jingwan rung kertep ki menderi. Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela wa Presiden Tensong uliat ho bahagamiat jang kasi ublay kata kakat sau terek una opera Rajar Arpusan. Mau rengkat bad Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma kilala ya kendo ya Menteri Korbari ke Sarkar Pedang wa Amit Shah ban kerpat ban menjurno ban penteri kam mek lain permit ka join kada bad ban pendrung ya ka ketian kasi bad garo ha ka 8 schedule. Uli tu Bu Amit Shah lapan pau dan kami ibnia alo ke jengdawa ban penteri kam ya ka ILP bad ban pendrung ya ka ketian kasi bad garo ha ka 8 schedule. Bar kapol ko biang as pentip ke jengla ban penteri kam gini gimat. Abal keli kumnu usngau namar hadu menta ke Sarkar Pedang kam kran syai lakan ai ne kanam ai ka ILP. Uba Presiden Tensong ulong bakila kerpat ban buram lem gejeng angnut gipat ba Kejela Meghalaya. Berulong bakile kran ka bedai ka Foreigner and Immigration Act Rajar Arpusan. Namar bakaneru kedai ka subjek ka beden bentalang bat ka ILP. Bat ke Sarkar ka ia kejeng kami ipnia jang ka tenat Korbari ke Sarkar Pedang bat ka kermen scam ba ke Sarkar Pedang ka seshim no ekarai namar ka jingma Kejela menta kam dai sho na pokari da jingma ka bashar kai kedai na bar jangkari India.
Men mani kendo ya Union Home Minister Amit Shah hakaba bon ki issue ke pengikren ke bakon thup langru pin ong ya ka ILP pi ong ya ka deka join kada ka bagi kren ba seriously ka bagi da kerpat na kaliang Amit Shah ba unsngau ba ban consider seriously yaki niki issue but mdai tang ya kataru rei wat yaki niki ka yakani ka bagi ong ka kabadeka Foreigners and Immigration Act 2025 ya kan irong discuss kumno na kamantaban implement ya ka namarba ngiyo ka situation mata pedeng kami kala India bat ka Bangladesh kam dalong ka baitnat de ya kata subject pengekren de ngidang yesterday issue kumno ban le ya ka issue kanang ba kajingrung jong kiniki illegal immigrant nginla ban thang namar babun sin teng tegiwan na Assam teng tegiwan na Kleng Saudong kiwan nang thina po ong no kiwan nang thina na ka Thain Silsha lani kiwan nang thina Plain Belt area te kita ki bangi ngilong warit te komong opi ngilai discuss bahai kani te ngakremen scam bahai ngila ban frame ya rules da ka jingrap lem jongka Sarkar India Ministry of Home Affairs ba ngin long lakum nur ngin long safe ngin long shan hakaba kini kijing rung ki illegal migrants kan ngila ban sange once and for all tengin do ngajing kren ya kata tengyo iba men kan dia sengi mentari mat mendin ne man sisngi wat u MP Badon Burom jongiru ulej banyak kendu ya ya home minister u bayat lang ya kaju ikalain dengan ngasutnat u MP jongiru u budin lang ya kan kaju isu kaba ngi men sengi blengin la keren dengan kremen skem baka sarkar India ro kan skam ban sim serius ya kini ki pending isu ki bedang sa bat ka sarkar India na kemta ka jelam ikla jongi barokwe em kabangi keren hi kalong tangan ni sengau bha burom lep ni sentimen jogi pajba jok ke jalan mekla kata ka dekoi dan nak daung pi bang kadon ke keren ru wat ya kan ka ak ka bakirang pas ka parlimen ka bangi ong ka ngi ong ka Foreigners and Immigration Act 2025 te ya kanir ku subject nomor kanir kaling syak ILP hi kisu kaling lang syak ILP na ka daung pi ni ki steady bha kum no ban le nomor pi dak badon kaneka Foreigner and Immigration Act 2025 kadon ko scope ang turu kabale si kan long more less kom ka ILP de kata mo pi ngini ii ka jing study jongka Ministry of Home Affairs de ngakrement skemi ba katu kan por kin poi saka decision gi bagin sim namar ba ndai shu menta baki baka kat ka threat yang i na po India ka threat meta na ba jo ka India ro ka balong isir kai hadu ka takta
di tunjuk porno kin hasil baru ka itju ka it ka asaran sebab hiyo pano
nakaliang jong ho min sa ong hot ya kane gidang steady carefully ngin kiapet ba haka appropriate time ngin la bat pentip sepi ya ka positivity da kam takin ki issue ke ba ngilabu nadu kam mansua haduk mentarok ke bang pi ngidang budin pi ong ya ka languages pi ong ya ka ILP but pi ong ya ka nika issue ka badai ki interstate migrant lene ki illegal migrant ki bangila banong yi kita ro ngong pi ka discussion jogi ka ya sepram bat ngakremen skem ba ka wi ka ski le si nakaliang ministry kinsa kom op ia ka penja draft kaban pentikna ba kinong sok snong jog jalami kala kilok save but numdon manu ke bala manshu wan tur ni wan sa le ni wan rung syaka jaka ka jongi klem da tip le ni klem da la mat screen ya ka jinglong ka jingman le ni kibriu ki bana ki bawan nakanu ke jalan le ni nakanu ka ri keleng joka pertai.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC hakasi thok dieng joka tayo kala penram jor ke sarkar pedeng kebalelam da keseng BJP. Kabatmu ban penkala no ka kerteng jong ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act arajarsan ne ka skim belasis pasngi. Bat chem bagane kadai ke jingyu oraj bagi jing thombor ya ka hok jogi breu ki baduk na ki baduk tam hapo kari. Kidikot bagi nang yalam jang ke MPCC hakakat kendai trik untuk opera arajara pesan kila lektor ke office terikam jang ke BJP ha Bivar Road Shillong ban penpau ke jing persya halor ke Bil G Ramji ke belawan ra dak sarkar NDA ke belayalam dak ke BJP ke kongres ke penpau ke jing persya ke bajor halor ke jing temu ke sarkar pedeng ban penkela kerteng no ya ke MG NREGA syaka G Ramji Bill Nengelam ke MPCC kila kena mengenai senjam ke sarkar BJP kadi gejing temu ban kenyat ben ke hok jogi badok ki basania kena ke kambela bat kalong gum ke jing isi ba ke jing kendong thalayo pa jong ke ben rio Mahatma Gandhi nag baweng no ke kerteng ju na kena ke an ka ba ai kam ai jam kitan no kendong kidhot ke kongres kila penpau begini ke jing kala kamdei tang ke jing kala kerteng ndai ke jing thombor ke rukom trekam ke belerap gi paulak kilong yeng hakari bat ke jela Meghalaya.
Down,
BJP.
Wat penyap,
Yaki baduk.
Wat penyap,
Yaki baduk.
Wat penyap,
Yaki baduk.
Wat kini ka hak jonggi baduk. Wat kini ka hak jonggi baduk. Sange kini ka hak baduk. Sange kini ka hak baduk.
Sange kini ka hak baduk.
Ikuan. Dua kabelah sispa sengi. Down
BJP.
Down
BJP.
Down
BJP.
We condemn
BJP.
We condemn
BJP.
kikun kila aban num yo shubanik school. Kikun kila aban tiak tangan min kimi obam bakane kaspa sengi shisha kaya rapai kalong yeng. Kamta me syatei syapok kinong kendong.
सरकार बीजेपी एकने का belah sispa sengi syakawai pat ka an kini kalong kajing penduk ya ka hok jong ki baduk ki baka sarkar kongres kala le sitom ban penlong an ya kini bat ngilai i bakalan long kajing mentoy sibun nak kabenta ki jat ben riu rit pat ki jat ben riu ki ba dang don hapo ulan jo kajing duk bat ha kajing yu i kajongi lingba kanika belah sispa sengi kalong ba kilong yi kilong sem ki boduk kilala ban krishan ya kaying kasem bat kham tam kilala ban krishan hakaba bu school ya ki khon ki jongki tidak kajing pen kala ya kani ka an sa kani ka jiramji kalong ba kum ban penbit iki pat ba beduk nakasispa sengi syak sispa arbusan sengi henry kilabo pada ka kendon ba ka central government kan ai kandai 4% ka share but ka state government kan ai 4% ka share ni layo i ya ka jinglong jingman jo ka state ka jongi bakadan hapeng jong ka jingkedu pisah nila sakhiru lingba kinong hikai SSE kiba ka central ka ai kandai 4% but ka state ka ai 4% bun ba ka state kam shimlala ban sil kalap kabala penlong ya kinong hikai SSE bakin du ya ketulap ke joki ya ka jingtrai ke joki pet ya ka scheme ka papentrai mentaru ke tu ka jal jivan mission kadi ka ju hi ka baka central ka ai kandai 4% ka share shi 4% ka share PUE hi ba bun ki contractor kim shimlayo ya ki bill ki jongki ka daw ka lang ba ka state government kamla bansil tang ya kata ka 4% ka balabu da ka center but kani ka an ka bala penlong kamay da ka BJP haka jaka jong kani ka MNREGA kalap kamdesyo ka demand kabaki pat ba kila banlet bandawa na ka sarkar ban ay kamiki henry kani kala penkelaba kasyong hakaman jong ka sarkar yano bakan ay kasyong hakabor jong ka sarkar yano bakan jit bat kani kan sawanra kajing le siliang ya kamtam ya kitu ki state ki bamshim la sinshar da ka BJP but da ka ba le komni suki kan sawanra kajing du kam ya ki longyeng ki longsem ki baduk but kin sadu kajing shania ki pat ba jong ki jela ki ba kiblan po jung lan jong kajing duk bakin i no ya kan ka kam bat kajing temu ka jong ka sarkar BJP kalong ba ki sngo ingkhong ba ka dan ka kerteng jong Mahatma Gandhi ni ka kum ka kongres ni ai ka kerteng Mahatma Gandhi kalong ba ni sngo buram ya upa jong kari India kumba pi ba kani ka kerteng Ji Ramji kamut kila kwa ban wanra jubor ya ka kerteng jung uram hakani ka scheme ban pendu ya ka bala bu haka constitution daka sarkar kongres de kani ka jingle jong ka sarkar BJP kalong ban pendu ban pentron khamtam ya ka jinglong ripat ka jongi bat ya khamtam ya kipat nong kendong ki jongi
Hadian bagi kubor hamsaya kelasa priang bau Menteri Rangba Abrim Kejela u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ularong syagaseng National People's Party NPP. Nagaliang usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejela u balong ru unong elam keseng NPP u ba senyaw balang dhar. Hagasibar jung tayo lapan pau bo undap da gejing kemen lada u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma unuan penyesok no elade bat keseng NPP. Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ba senyaw balang dhar u lapan pau ba undai ubriu berkementam. Lada Menteri Rangba Abrim Kejela Dr. Mukul M. Sangma unwan rung syaka NPP. Ya kania ula keran haba juba balo kejingkeli bahatu Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ula ane mandrung no syaka NPP. Haba keran ikilat patai kubor haka kandru terik uno pra arajar arpusan uba asnyaw balang dhar ulero Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. Da keboong bu ude unong ilam uba start uba tebet bah bad ude uwe di kidong ilam bakrau jong Kejela. Halor kejing pensyai jong Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ke Badang Shen, halor kejing penihar syuki uba asnyaw balang dhar baru uba preston tunsong hagas nam arajar kat nyaw. Uba asnyaw balang dhar ulong ba kwa asyuk ban paidien ya ke baladap. Halor ka kubor jong jingelang bala bandan hapadang Dr. Mukul M Sangma bagi ngelam ke NPP at Delhi uba asnya balang dhar ulong bakam padai kapor banekren nomor ke election gerang jengai batkin siapet pat hadin. Habal kli hato ke NPP kan pediang neam uba asnya balang dhar ulah penpau biang ya kejing sungus met jung udah keboong ba unde ubre uba kementam lada Dr. Mukul M Sangma un wandrung sya ke NPP.
See, Sarmukul is a tall and veteran leader, and I respect him. And he always, he knows what he talks. I really respect Sarmukul. He's one of the tallest in the states.
And
I don't want to repeat about the past. I am always friendship to him. He's always friendship to me. These things too early to comment because election is another 2.5 years away. The time will come.
But is the door open for Mohammed?
I'm telling you, according to me, you ask me personally, I'm the happiest man. If you come to us. On my personal opinion.
will you try to bring him?
We will see. Not the right time to discuss all this.
Ka Khasi Jantia Deficit School Teachers Association hakala asing ublay jong katayo kala penlong ya kejingelang patba ha Madan Malki Hashilong. Bat dawa nag sarkar jela ban penkiuno ya ka Dianas Allowance jong kinoy ka school deficit na ka sapulay nagsispa syaka sanpuway nagsispa. Bat ban pelat no yaki aryar jongki. Ka Khasi Jantia Deficit School Teachers Association kala dawa nag sarkar jela bakan kentiuno ya ka DA jokin high school deficit syaka sanpuway nagsispa. Kawedai bagajing sew ginong tre sarkar nalor ban pelat no yaki aryar. Ha kejingelang kebelalong ha kat santre kuno pra kene ka association kala syem kene karaya kejingelang jaga kebelalong Hamadan Malki Shilong. U Presiden Jog Sengke jadi STA uba Boswell Espala ulah tho syu menteri rang ba kejelau konrat kongkal sangma bagi ne kai kimat jenge nama bagi die kadang sakut ha ka sopulai ne kispa. Kesenggal aipor ke sarkar haru ka kat santre kula lengkot arazar arpun reo ban penurlong ke jing dawa. Da ke beberngam ban pelong jing ki lada kam urlong. Kibai pagi jing dawa ki kentop ya ke centralized provident fund ka DCRG ginai kai ke belasong thaj bat ka Maxims portal ba kani ke badan mentaru ke ke badap di kijing bakla bar balong badai ban buak no da kawai ke baklem kijing bakla ke sarkar Meghalaya dang shan galapan mena ban kentiau sa anak sispa ke die ye gidong tri sarkar ha ka bakan kiau kata syakasan huwe nek sispa ke ban trekam na dok strik naitung arajar arpusan da ginoi kai school deficit kidang yo tang sau pulai nek sispa.
Therefore, right now, I appeal to the parents, to the past pupils, to the present pupils to support us morally, and support us in any way that you see fit to save education in the state of Meghalaya. Students, they use a beautiful word, attractive word, standardization. But then if standardization has to come from the government, I don't trust it. I don't trust the government with many things. I don't trust the way it runs schools. I think the government itself in the past saw that defect from the side of the government. That is why the past governments supported the deficit teachers, supported the deficit system. Only now, only last year and this year, there is this blatant case, bizarre case of harassment of deficit teachers, the snatching away of the rights of deficit teachers. There is another case, the guidebook, the Miss Guidebook probably, or what we call the CM Guidebook. What is that CM? CM, it looks like cheap marks guidebook, as I've said in the past. So this is a clear deterrent for good students. Good students are deprived. At the back of the guidebook, it is written, if you read this guidebook, you will get what 60-70%. I don't remember that number. But if you look at the back of the guidebook, there is something written like that. Who writes something like that in a guidebook? Who writes something like that in a guidebook? It is too shameful. Only shameless people do that. There is this evil symbiosis between the government, the chief minister, the minister, and the officials. We have to be very much aware of this. In fact, this non-enhancement of the DA is because of this evil symbiosis between these two groups. The government, the elected representatives who have been elevated to the rank of chief minister, ministers, and the officials, in particular the IAS officials. When they seek to lower us, the deficit teachers, I may ask them, dear IAS officers, how would you feel if you are lowered down to MCS? This is an analogy, quite an appropriate analogy. And I appeal to the many good officers, MCS, IAS, to please help stand against this. I appeal to other members of society to please be aware of this manipulation that goes on inside the People's Secretariat.
Ki MDC nagasengsan partai Voice of the People's Party VPP. Hagasi balang jagatayo, kilakhang talay ka kerdap jang ka office terekam ka Janda Hills Autonomous District Council. Halor ka nongrim bamshim nasiyo kutulap jaginong tray mentala palat kendai benai. Ki MDC ka VPP ki bakentup ba Andrew Shulai ba Ajam Soprang Potam ba Nehemiah Lamaria bat kiwe. Kila penlong ya kajing ki ban khang talay ka office jang ka Janda Hills Autonomous District Council namar kajing mamsiyo kutulap kinong tray. Dari kila sangyano adin bekeliyo ekjingkular no Deputy Chief Executive Member oba Laski Rembai bagtulap joginong tray jangka council kala poisya ka council. Kinong ilam ga VPP kiloong bagane kejingki kedai berpenbor ke sarkar bakan cimkia ya kimat keberang saateng. Namar ba amsyamal plat satya ketulap jong tray mentala palat kendai benai bat kila dawa no Chief Executive Member baswa ke Christmas deban plat no ketulap ka bakendai benai jong berok jong tray. Ulang berkeladap aipor badai bansiu no ketulap ka kandru trek uno pra ndrai habakane kajing aipor kelokut no bak sarkar kam chimna ye kumta ka VPP kam banse ban pelong no kajing ki da ka bakhang tala no ka kerdop jong ka office.
Kami ki bukan dolas ki kalau kecil di asaran kota awal deh. Tanpa maksud juga untuk lama masih mau apa kau ini? Ada dapat ada yang kecil yang jaga nggak ada sih bukan hobi masih sama saya. Lain dia waktu ini kami station ini kan sana untuk kami station dulu tak ada jadi makan reaching out untuk course kami kok nak buat ada jadi kita buat semua bagi session ni session untuk ni ada hakam apa ada agreement langsung kat kaman sampai bawah saya kata kaman kata tu yang kamu om yang ada dalam jangka information saja because everything is mana reflect itu pasti akhir sebelum bila dia kecil pun naik kapten tu mana kita penting kan dia sekarang lagi ui ki
kat sendiri lah
Ayah orang gelis dalam lins dalam
yang di mana kita mut kafol amam sa kafol amam kende benai pura
dawan uji kuma
itu si benai kalau teman kamu wah penkemen mit kita
gue gini ya pelan nak ya chain apa balik atau wah harga terik sak pending harga kesengi pending mungkin tak kuat ini IM bukan boram yang ini bila dengan boram untuk yang kuat kat treasury ini waktu orang buat kat treasury mana cek kita bang mana treasury Mandai cek anak pun tahu support dan di dalam pressure kami di kamu dan kita cuma dalam dari staff ini. My board kan?
Di mana macam paham kamu tadi ya one clarify di EM dan negosi EM nak level yang ki rengkat dua jing pak. Kau baca kamu juru gajing penseker pada EM ngapa treasury. Dalam tu kamu temu ni. Tidak Islam hala chasi kai ha kini sarkar kini ki bui yang bui senti yang kah. Hawa hikai pi ki khna nong ki khna ko smart game ki chalak bha ki khna pi to lang khna nong smart bha game so tho ye jing la yang ki mod mbai pen big wan he ni u obstruct ye ni ki lam obstruct ye te ki di ki staff ki wasya em kam tolap ki ye tu sia ta ye ki bha ka ho yang ki te to mut ko weche
Nang esa bangi na benta ki bai pat ki kubor ngin Swan Pai hadin kini kijing perbenar. Na OPCN ang nagajanmian nga napai biang siya gibenta jong ka kubor. Kibor penya distrik jong ka East Janta Hills da kababut renti igijing betha jong ka Ying Shari. Haga sing sajan jong ka tayo balala. Kilalit penprai ki hinyo teli ki karkhana kok ki batrekam bean ne klem yo jingbet ki badan hapo jong ka nega distrik. Deputy Commissioner ke District East Janta Hills US Awasti. Haga jingkaran gajung la pentem bahaga bede bag gajing board igajing betha jok yang syari Meghalaya High Court. Ya ka kenhon ya trailang la thau haga bagade ka kenhon kalalit ban prano igi karkhana snakok ki batrai bean haga nega district. Kadai ka kenhon ya trailang kadai ga badai hapo gajing kmi jong subdivisional officer Manish Kumar kebakan thup ru ki he na ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban na katanat pulet. Bala batha baganit bat prano ya baro ki karkhana snakok ki batrai klem dayo kanu gajing bet haga nega district. Deputy Commissioner ulo angru ba khandru tli ki karkhana snakok kede ki balap ke district East Janta Hills. Haga ba kim shimlayo ekanu gajing bet katkum ki an ki balabo da ke sarkar. Nagi ni ki khandru tli ki bamyo jingbet santli ki dai ki balada ban pra khamashwa. Naga benta ki khatwe tli pada ki berangsa lapha igi notice cheki ha ubnai risau jong kasnam arajar orpusan. Haga bala betha igi try jong ni karkhana kok bakin a ya ka jingtep. Hatu kila yo ne me ka jingbet bakin pentrai ka me ki karkhana ki jongki. Ndre amshim la yo jubab na ki try jong ni karkhana. Kumta haga bede bagajing betha jong ka Ying Shari Meghalaya High Court. La betha igi ne ka kanhun netre lang jogi bor ke bede khmi jong sarkar bakin ban prano igi ki khatwe tli ki karkhana snakok ki bamshim la yo jingbet bat ki blatre kam bean. Kani kala sedang nado ka khatlai terik uno pra arajar opsan haga bala sedang bat pra ya kini ki karkhana kok ki balashna bean. Kada do banglayo ikane kubor kade ka kanhon kalala ban pra ya nyau tli na kini ki khatwe tli ki kok plan. Bari ki saut tli kadangsa kade ka kanhon kadang kami la ki dai ki bala pran em de ki tra jong ni karkhana. Baro lang khatwe tli kini ki kok plan kede gi betrekam klem dayo ekono no jingbet long shosho Deputy Commissioner.
So in total there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11 we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained necessary permissions for regularization, and since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Janta Hills district. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants, and for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.
Menteri Ketenat PHE Umar Kuis and Marak ha kasibalang Jogatayo. Ulong ba kajengker doom makibabun kijaka jong ke Sorsilong. Kadai namar kajeng pat jong ki pipe namar ka jeng tre torti ke NHIDCL ha kajishna ke Surok ha 101 area. Nalor kania ulong ba sarkar pedeng kalakular ban pelat no ekapisa jong ke skim Jal Jeevan Mission ha ubnai kelalengkot kasnam Arajar Arpunrio. Menteri Ketenat PHE ke Meghalaya Umar Kuis and Marak ulayatho baka sarkar pedeng kalakular ban pelat no ekapisa na kementa ka Jal Jeevan Mission ha ubnai kelalengkot kasnam Arajar Arpunrio. Ada berok jela kila ban pembet igijing bakla hakar kompentrikam. Abakran ni kila patai kubor kakak nyautre uno opera Arajar Arpusan ulayatho bahado menta ka jela Meghalaya kila pendap prapulai na ka Shispa ya kejing tre ya ka Jal Jeevan Mission. Menteri ula pensyai bagi jing ki bapen slam ke pisah ke dai bakta agiwe pagi jela ya ka Meghalaya. Kesarkar Meghalaya kadang don kumbah nyos pa klurtam ka bansio syagi kontraktor. Kini gidi bil ki beladap banle ya ka third party inspection baik beladap rung hak MIS. Ulang bawala ke jela kayat ba don pat katu kani ki project ki ba bet pat hak rukom pentre. Nama kata Menteri udah betah ke officer ban syam ki senjam ke betagi persya ke kontraktor ki bampen tre renti ya kakam.
JJM, Government of India is not releasing the fund. But however, Government of India has called for a meeting day before yesterday. All the chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting. And I was briefed by chief engineer today that Government of India will be releasing very soon, but it will be in the month of January because some of the states were having lots of difficulties with the JJM projects and they are told to rectify the problems or issues that they were having.
So because in Meghalaya but in other states also there have been a lot of negligence in the way the work was implemented. So is it because of this is it happening the same in Meghalaya that this the work is not up to the mark?
No, work is up to the mark. Everything is online here in Meghalaya. We have completed around 83 plus percentage in Meghalaya. There are some discrepancies which we are rectifying. But I was talking about other states. Other states are having lots of issues and problems because of which Government of India said that see, you address to those issues and problems and concerns, and after that we will release the fund. So the chief engineers meeting, chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting and were informed that once it is done, almost every state is complying to the direction of this central government, and then once that is completed, they'll be releasing the fund. That will happen most probably by January.
Kiseng balang baper jong district Southwest Khasi Hills. Hakala sing ublay jong katayo kili kendo ya additional deputy commissioner ke district Southwest Khasi Hills uba LT Taryang. Ban persya ay kajing temu ke sarkar jela ban pengkerja akam no ya superintendent ki pulet uba bijerwa ban ikwe ki officer ki ba ay kajing syakri ka babha bat ke bajanai hakene ke district. Kiseng baper jong district Southwest Khasi Hills berkentup ke KSU, SSSS, FKJGP, HANM, HITO, HNYF, HYC. Hakakat sentrek menopera Arajar Arpusan kinalit bani kendu kerki yoba LT Taryang u additional deputy commissioner ke district Southwest Khasi Hills. Ban penpau kejing persya ke bejurlo kejing temu jong sarkar berkerja akam no ya superintendent ki pulet ke district Southwest Khasi Hills uba bijerwa. Ban ikiwe ke officer ki bampat kut ke portrekam jongki. Kini giseng jong district Southwest Khasi Hills kila banjur ke sarkar bala kumno ya ki officer ke batrai ba na ke bentau pat ba om debat pekerja akam stengpor klempat dapura ke portrikam. Kini giseng hadin ke jing selok bagi nok syok katahan kila shim karai bandawan ke sarkar bagade benuan ra ya ki superintendent ki pulet ngi magistrate bagi officer ke bagi Khasi lor kenong rem bagan dan ke jing de ke bajan pat ki pat ba. Nagal yang giseng Ilap maham jura ke sarkar bakam de benelakai berupat ba ke district Southwest Khasi Hills. Banuan ra neweng officer kat mamon na kebentak ke jengmentoi jung nur jung no. Klem da perkat pat ke jung nong jong ke district.
Banai kata gajeng transfer ya ki officer ki baper siteng por. Kani kalong kai ke ba nakaleng di bor sarkar imat kilale tanam ta ke jengmentoi jung no da ka ba kilapan kain. ya kata ni polisi lah ya kata polisi ban ong ba ya ka minimum posting jong no officers bodai bandan ha ki district kata kadi ga jing pen khain jong ki bosokar bar om tang kata ka pen khain ru wadi kan an bat wad ya ki banta ki bala si la yo ya ka jing tha na ka yang bisaro te kumai so mane ba ka jing wan jungi ha kani ka por mta ka dei ba hadin bang la yo ki jing tep ka batikna ba nakalang jong sarkar kala persang lani kala mut kala don kata ka jing temu ban transfer nekong yu superintendent of police ubah jing sha mata imat urang don dok ba shipho kadoi banai ei hoi long ba ni so tho la dong kam transfer hi haba transfer nu sa kalong ba ki pa ba gi bantep lani nakalang ni de bantep ba kai ka ba ule bangi haban transfer namar ba subu nom ta kadon kawai ka hukum lani kata ka judicial president napo jongka supreme court ru ka baong ba SP lani he pulet ka minimum tenure ju haka jaka bu usa ba haka jaka ka ba ude bandan kalong bala no arsnam te hanrai lada dan ka jingweng ya ka ba kumuta he officer ka ba de bonweng halor kanong rem ba ule kinu ki kam kinu ki benta ki balong persya ka sensar kadar ki balong persya ya ki pajba ki badan ha kata ka jaka rai kani ka jingle jong sarkar ha bini bini SP jong sarwa sel rek kapan i ba imat ba kadon salendet bat om tang kata ka ba sosi pat kalong ka ba kam sosi kalong ba ile jing tip ba ha ba ki wangi SP ubade khasi ki persang pat banra SP ude dukhar lani ubade u bom dai khasi hoi nyamdan kanu no ka jingkan tho kita ki bom dai khasi hare kumbaong mane kalong ba ngi haperkhat ya ka jinglong jong sun beneng ya ka jinglong jong ka environment hapo sarwa selrek ki la ka dai ha ka district commission la ka dai hapo jong ka police bat ki wei ki office sarkar kalong hapo sarwa selrek ha ba ki le kanu no ki ya lang ki ya trailang bat hanrai kai ka ba paum ta par kalong lada wanra ibrung da bar kalong ba kan sab jing ya ki no song snong kan sab jing do bar snong ki seng semla snong ki VDP snong bat kinu kan hon kalong ba kin yo ya kata je terilang na kam ta ban develop ya kan ka district ka jungi te kata ka de ka wei ka mat ka ba na kalang ka jungi ni soban persa jor bat habede ba kani ka jing wara yo de lani ka jing transfer USP na kalang jungi la kransai ba larong kubala nakalang sarkar kadai ban penek swa harai lara suthu ba kamla su ban penek ru lara kawan ra kalong ba kadai mon ra hi dawde khasi khnang ba kan long ka suk ha ka jing trekam ber ki do bas ber ki no song ber ki kan hon fair ki badon hapo jong ka sadwa sil shek hi brokoi ba ha ka ju upor ka jing dawa ka jungi kalong ba ya ka sarkar ba kamde benele kai ya ka sadwa sil shek jungi sarwas kesil resek jungi kadang don ba khatar khalai sne me kadang don kam sibun ki nam ta ka development kadang ka thain la kalong ha ki banta jing department ba fair lamba ka health lamba ka PUD PHE water sources per cui gue ngimla banjar ki don kam sibun bat namar kata ban develop ki ne jaka ngi don kam ki officer ki ban tre hang ni ki ba la kumno kalong ba ki dei ban hasam transfer kalong ba ki la dei ban tam ya ka tenure polisi lane kata ka minimum posting ka ba ude bandan hapo ng district namar ba don kam ki officer begin sa kamslam ki officer ki babyang ban sa kamslam bakin so thu jelong jeman bat nlaru banwara ki dulwen ba fair hapo ng ka district ka jungi
Kinong ilam ko all khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association hakasi baar juga tayo kilala ikendo yusumbut menteri rang ba kejela ubah kami akatna transport ubah senyawa balangdar. Banekran halor ban chemi kisenjam ban khang ki kali kamai ke banabar kejela ban ket ikinong jung okai perthaya keleng ki jaka jung okai ki badan hakane kejela jungi. Hendrai namar bagi mat jeng dawa ki don ke betengko bakaan kumta kandang simpor ban yo penurlong yakane. Menteri rang ba kejela kami iru katana transport ubah senyawa balangdar hakakan ru trek no pra arhajar arpusan ulalu megejengelang bat ko all khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA rengkat bat ke officer katana transport ba katana jungo kai perthai ban beteng ya kejing yakran ubah senyawa balangdar ulong ba kejing dawa ka AKMTTA kalong ban khang ne perkheng kali kamai ki menabar kejela bakin kit ikinong chungo kai perthai shpo gajla Hendrai kat kum kaan na ne kamla ban khang ne perkheng ye ki kali kamai gi bana bar gajla daga bapente bau advocate general ru la panchai ba kamla ban pasange ki kali bana bar gajla Hendrai ula penti kena baga sarkar kan skot jingelang ru bat kitra jugi hotel ke resort ki guest house ba ki tour operator bane kedan ni kitrai jong kine ki hotel bagi resort bagian manglo pari kali jong kitrai jela Mereka ajeng mut ya ke AKMTTA bagi kali bat kinongnya di banlong ki babiang bat nang ban kring ya kinong jung okai perthai. Habakran bagi nong yalam jong ke AKMTTA uba balajit jerwa. Uli tu bagi mat jeng dawa ki dan ki betengko bakaan bat kindang hab bane keren biang namar kandang sempor ban yo ban penurlong yaki.
Mentah kasih itu kalau ada dalam bagi aging, layo bagi show bagi discuss halor jom kita ki hataki issues, ki legal issues na nakaliang jom ka state government mana nakaliang jom ni ladang implement ni ki policies bagi kuat mangi akan berkam kalau dan kajing ya ne kajing challenge apa kot. Te tang kita hi te hadir kat ni kentah hi la yo bagi play jom but in sadon biang hi ka meeting apa ding jom ni ki AG mangin yo ban formulate ya ban buat ni kata kalat kelenti bangila ban yo kata demand jungi kata bakalom ingin restrict na bangin sya kita kali ki bawan na ba ki bomday registration ML ban ne ship to respond halor kani mentasni ni akaran ba halor jong ki legal issues ba mo kamta mika trading by non tribal act 1957 53 59 nang tapat ya kani ka motor vehicle act nang tapat ya ka RTA kumbang ilayo penyusun ilaya discuss ba halor kita an bangilap ba ladang implement ya ka RTA kadon kidon ki problem si mo kelamar ba kini ke ya bitang ka one state permit telada menta ka kadon sa all India permit nang tapat ngidan sa 3 state permit tingilaya tainya ba halor kita kuno bangin yo banwat kita kila denti bangin yo ban restrict yaki kali banapar an kani rungin pat poi dah kata finalization bagi le ingin shim kita ki step se kani kadang long bika on top process kadang ya be kajingnya keren kadang ya be kadang ya be kan min saya continue yang kanang bangin yo ban finalize kita ki rules na ki regulations bangila ban pendon kam ban yo ban restrict kali banapar madrung ilaya keren ruhi halor ndai tangki ki loss ya ki an ki kanun ru ndai ilaya keren ru halor jengka ka competition kata ka market competition badan apreng juga Meghalaya baka Assam apreng juga driver kali kuno bangin la banya compete mo apa ka market for the meantime kita ki stop gap measures bala banyarap ki driver jungi bro kai ilaya keren halor kita halor kita tang iki laws ki laws ki legal issues beton latang implement ya kan restriction kita ki jingkang ban le iki kali bana bar ban support to respond
so you know very well they request about not to allow the outsider, but that is as per law is not legal, so they understand properly. So hopefully we are here to trying to help our people in such manner so that nobody should harm. And they are very much happy with the meeting. So we also from the government side, especially from the transport and tourism, we are very positive with them. So today's meeting is very, very good, I should say. So it will take some time again. There is few suggestions from them, which is a very, very valid suggestion. So we are on the process of examining it. Yes, another suggestion come from them. So why don't you call the hotel or the resort, request them to use the local taxi, and it is accepted by us. And we will call all this hotel and this resort, and when it's all store operator within the state, so we will request them to use our local taxi, and provided we request them also, their vehicle should be fit, should be neat and clean, and the driver should be fully disciplined. So at least the outsider who come in Meghalaya, they should be happy with our driver. Left part with about that we are yet to discuss with the hotels and with this owner resort, and to express them. Our boy has expressed us to request you to use their vehicle. And yes, maybe some good vehicle are available with the outside state. So when we have to prepare for the good vehicle, like Innova, they are having all those vehicles. So we told them we bring all the association together and discuss with the tourism and the transport. They will form a new apps to make sure that we are visible in the eyes of the world. We are having a good, competent travelers, tourism driver and the travelers. So tomorrow, one agenda they will discuss this. I advise them today. So tomorrow with the transport and the tourism and with the association, they may form a common apps. So maybe in that apps when everything's registered, so we may verify to the government that these are the good driver has been verified by the concerned department. So the outside who came, they feel safe to travel with our own driver.
Ka policy hi kanu ka policy ka bampor hi ban free man ban pentrai kam ne ban wanra kanu ka policy ni so tui mat kane ka policy ru kam dei ka batma ka adi ka batmai namar ba ha po si jungi pat don rai ka Meghalaya motor vehicle rule rai hadu mentarung ibut ba ka asam motor vehicle rule de let's say kan ni limba jung kan ni ka jingi shong ya ban ni shong chi shong namar bale ban yo ka solution ne ka motor vehicle rule kan mengikwa mangi de kanu ka kam ru ngimla ra ban chi ong ba menta ka sni pan de la sai la long masalah long kan bampor de ngir una kaliang jung ngir ngin hab ban si shong ba ban na kaliang yang ki administration yang kaliang ka sarkar ro de ngir ngin hab bet ban pulut ya ta kapor ma ka sarkar ro kan hab hi ban invest ka ta kapor ban yo ban pentrai kam ta ni jingdon kam jung ni
Ha kala asngi ublay jong katayo kinong elam jong Khasi Students Union East Janta Hills. Kilala ikendo yung member secretary ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat kila dawa badai ban pensange no ya kejingyalang ne ka public hearing ha ka kat kendai terik uno opera arajar arpusan. Ban sengap ka sur jong upat ba halo kejing temu ban seng ya ka karkhana pen mi dowilat ha ka shnong daistong. Haka kat kendai terik uno opera arajar arpusan kinong yalam bagi dikot jang kisang balang gari lom jantia rengkat bagi nong snong kiba persya ka public hearing jang Shri Cement Limited kila sya akhang lenti bandai jaka ba penlong ya ka public hearing hadai stong ha ka district East Janta Hills leto bagi sang balang kila sya akhang lenti kumba sanspa mitar na ka jaka ba pelong jingelang da ka jingbo gi truck dumper hapdeng surok ba ka jingdan gi spangot gi brego ba kersya ni ka project kiba khanglat yaki La ban kedau hang nia bagi sang balang bagi nong syok shnong ki persya ka jing temu ban shnaik integrated cement plan ha ka kathan na magijing sokya lo ka jing jabo jang mariang uba sambor mi lengdo president ka Jantia National Council ulo keno ba u deputy commissioner uli I ka jing khang lenti hen reu klim shem ka nok senjam ban khang yaki ka sang ka keno ru bawat ki pulet kila dan kti ha ka jing khang lenti ya ki nong persya Namar gajing penken ya ke EIA notification arajar reo ke bailat ginong song ban pau gajing snow. Ka Jantia National Council kelarai ban ujorno asya ke yang syari persya ke gajing hanglat ya ke hok jang kipat ba.
Ceprang Kongeri Yumandari Hameli Yumandari Hameli Dia ceprang Kongeri Imslam Jensi Imslam Jensi Tempau ya gajing snow si ka ukro Ajing sekian ne deman go kasngi wa ka Shri Cement de peman go ya ka public hearing ha ka chnong dai stong ilka nong khle kandre I na kaliang kaseng hawa perchangi ulai cha ka thaw man ka public hearing cha pan sanga ha chiten luti don hi ka wa yu pla chu chu wa da am ko wi ka dampar ka wa cha ya surok ka wa da kata ya ka lai ka wan yang kipat ba to do ka tela da bu bi ya ki kini ki Shri Cement de bu ko ya kita ki kang ki yong ka wa chispa ngut ki bru ki wa khanglat I wa ulai cakap tahu pemane ka public hearing de boong kani to ka kam yang ilka yang I ta kani hi man ka ki ka umyu pediang lene ka wa man percha ya ka ain ne ba ka kam ka EIA notification arajan ru de kelam chega wa nu nong chong chnong yang ka Meghalaya yeu pen snyau ya ka jing snyau ka yang o ha ka nu ka public hearing kham tam hayato wa ka jing cha kta ya ka mariang lene ya ka environment ka yang I ina kaliang ka senda pengkra ya ka jing tho ka wadaman janai bha da kedau la ya cibon ke jing duna yang kani ke EIA report yang kani ke Shri Cement ne ba am ke jing tengkhan ya ki kendon yang ke EIA notification arjan ru handre ke wasnal siu ong ba im yo yu poi che ke thai ki thau ki wat mui te I kam ke sen mam ko ai kanu ke jing snam le ne kanu ke jing klumar ba ki pradok ki prasnam ki yong I ta da wan da dong biang I chakani ka da dong de ni kata da mi hini po khmat office UDC bo up UDC kenang yo submit ya kani ke jing tho ka yong I ina kaliang ka sen pen pau ke jing snyau si ka wokro wa yoi ba ta po ka district ka yong I kat ni ki an member lagi ki polis hejing sket report wa cha khang luti UDC de lai na khmat yong I de perchang I kelam UDC ba to kanim to ka galuti 100 UDC de kan ta jo we kelam wa I de bo ongu ba to uya kelama ni haden ta jing sket abo disi de yo ya kini ke jing ja jing sket ke kamram ko yang ta open sengek le ken ria ya kini ki bru ya kini ki jing wit ki jing thut ha kini ke luti ulai cha public hearing ta yo jing tip chu chu ile bobat kinong chong chnong yang kadai stong ki wa percha dam ke jing khanglat ke yiki da kini ki bru ki wa da kini ka Shri Cement da pengkrek go kita ki kang chnong ki yong ki ti kam ke JNC hi bom chong klik ti Henry ya kini ke kam idawlai ga chakhamat langba ka ain Yew lai chaduk cha High Court ne benta kani ke kam ne bhak kani hi man go ke jing yoroj ke jing pengkhanya ke constitution yang keri India ne bhak ke constitution yang keri India da kedau che go wa unu nong chong chnong yang keri India emu ko hok wo pen snyaw ke jing snyaw ko yang freedom of speech le ne freedom of expression ta kani hi man go ke jing yoroj do ya ka hok yang i henre de man go le ke jing yoroj ya ke constitution of India ta ina ke yang ke JNC wum yew pediang ya kani ta da perchangi le up UDC le di ala di mentu da wi kelami wo da panjing che ne halar kani ke kam ta kani to ka message ke clear cha ke government wa sange no kani ke jing le dan bor ke yang phi kan mo wa den sound snem ke bor ke yang phi da kut go ta nei te daw i kam ke JNC kwa ye phi ka mo paj ba de jet u ye phi chikri hok yu paj ba kham tam wum ho yu ben phi ki duk kirangli ta kani to ka message ke clear wa ina ke yang ke sen wum yew pediang dalile ya kani ke jing le be an ke jing penam kam da ki kang ke jing wam hejing sket ya kini ki public hearing to apply da ka police department upat ya ka law and order han resnyau si ong wa ka police department le da man go kanong pat ki don hi hejing ito wa kini ka kam
Haka katsan terigno pra arajar arpusan kinong yalam jong ka KSU East Gentle Hills. Lalit mani kendo you member secretary ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board u Dr. GH Chermang bandawa pensangai no ke public hearing jong ke Shri Cement Integrated Plan ke bahaka shnong dai stong. Ya kan ke public hearing labo banlong haka kan dai trik no pra dai stong na ke bentak Integrated Cement Plan jong ke Shri Cement Limited. Haka jing kan bigla patai kubor ke KSU ke persyaajur ya kan ke jing kemuda ke bakadau ya ke jing penken ya kan Meghalaya Land Transfer Act akan dai sebanyak puar. Ujaran secretary ke KSU uba KS Suchiang ula kena buwei Utara Jela ula DBA nya kejaka Syawur Shimet bamli Utara Jela bat kejumara ke cement plan agen kejaka kan ketajur ginong song shnong namar prapo hado kendai po no sispa ginong song shnong adai stong kide ginong rap
kadau ke bang wan pani kindu kontak sini kalau ngalor ketuka huri huramo ke bami ha kejin to kejin dei bat ketuka jingkwa ajung ka way company ban set up ke pan jengkang ke po sinong dai stong ti abang ipik abang itokip na din nakmat ya ke jinglong juman ya ke jingkwa ajung ke company bathamai ka Shri Cement Limited ban bo ya ka plan jengka ke sinong dai stong ka ba hapo ke ilka nong klik ti ke bang kwa ban pang liat hoi ngimpa ban penpa be dari hajing lebar ke jingta ya ka mariam ngikan mengkong menta ya ketuka jing di tit ya kende uciap barah bang ipe ya ketuka sildit ne kata ka jing di ya ketu kende i ba weu perap bersam jingi uladi ya kata kende ya ke bolo tit direct shau Bharat Sharma beri terajang kata ka cement factory pertama ti mentah abang yang kendu yau member secretary yang ba kumu ka phila bat niat be ka public hearing shekhan habatang ai kene ka kajing di yatit kendu pimpala ban sau dia ba piong pat dei ka public hearing kan niat be shekhan dia perkat ni betu ka kajing di satu bar jela ulah nan ban thet ka kendu siap jong pro pasnam jong kita jela direct da bar jela kani te kalong kila penting direct ame ke bulan tasawuf 1992 itu kita ke jingli bami nangkong nai kan kita ke jing kita ka kamariang nai jing kan kita ke bakta ka kariang jong itu ke jong snong mang tip ba keduk kendai po person ki mang rap ke diam tu ngwa bani kan kita kamat ni kan chhan nangkong he tu kan unu barjala ujo pantit te ke jaga direct nau trajala hatu kan kam kita ke jalan ber oi kemut lada ke sarkar ke ailat ya kum kini ki benimi mo kita ki jingle be an ti kita sung thu ba ke sarkar te kale ate ke sarkar ko ban ra ba ke sarkar ko pesna ki an ke sarkar ko pen khen ki an ti ni ong kuno kene ketika ke state issue te ke ba sebut kai ba dok tata feel da ke company ke yo ban set up Dia plan jaka hante hep pada stong. Klem dapat cuai ke tu ka jing di kendau. Dia kumukan dia lah saya sini. Kumukan dia lah saya sini. Ikan nangkong ya kena kamat. Telang ikan le ka environment. Kita ai kata ka meriang. Kita ai ki nongrap ki ba imala papli. Kumong prap sang na fu person ki nongrap ki imda ka. Ke barap ka ba. Ke barap johor. Kutar da kai ke banjia ki. Lagi kan yang kata le lakut. Yusuf lakut. Pai kai ke dia ka kejingwan kejingdon ki sementan mental. Andai seputuli apa ka katang isjan jai susi. Ha? Kai kejing donong kejing du nong. Kejingwan kita ki sementan. Na try pi ski bro ka. Ha? Layo le kan ka semen plan ka chri semen limited ban serap ka plan ka te. Kata kamu lakut.
Kahnyo Trap National Youth Front Southeast Sora Circle rengkat bagi terajaka kilalet cekesnong Beltoli ke badan hapo ke ilaka Maulong. Pan ke jing syah lor ke jing bamsha ki trai ban pendon kame ke jaka jongki na ke jing don ke jaka meneblay jongki dongit Hindu. Kahnyo Trap National Youth Front HNYF Southeast Sora Circle rengkat bagi terajaka kilayar cekesnong Beltoli ke badan hapo ke ilaka Maulong. Ban pan jing syah lor ke jing bamsha kinong song snong Hagane ke jaka yiki try jaka ban penon kame ke jaka hagane ke snong na ke jingdon ke jaka mane bleki Hindu. Kane ke jaka ke de ke bahe de ke akar bat ke de jong ikong kardor khan bat ke por ke bamen shwa ki kibet men kila shilin khot ke jaka ki pat drunget Hindu ban shnai ke mandel. Mereka barang mi kisnem ki pat drunget kila sedang ban bu ke jaka mane blei shaka wei pat ki benta jong ke klau ha ke ba kila mana ki try jaka na ke bapenon kame ke jaka. Habe keren bat unong ai kitien ke HNYF uba banjab kongwer. Ule tu banado ki por ke bamen chwa ki tra jaka kila ai shileng khot ke jaka shi ki pat drengwet Hindu ban shnai ka mandir. Ndre mentai ke nong song sedang kila sedang ban penyar ke jaka mane blei syaki klau nong kenti. Kebedengan nong kenti bat manai ki tra jaka bagi mendai ban penan kami kini ke jaka. Uba Barnabas nong rom ubade utra jaka ulo ujor halo ke jingma miyok ban rep ban riang hakane ke jaka. Halo kini kejing ujor nagaliang ke HNYF lengba unong ai kitien jongkau ba banjob kongwir kilahir sa Beltoli haka katsan trek unok pra arajar arkusan. HNYF kelakran syai bakasengkan persya yaka barong bakan persya yaka jaka kebalayo basna mandir. Ndrei kam deipat banbu jaka meneblai shkiwei pat ki benta. Hagane ke jaka bat ulakan tu ya ubade in charge jong kesnong Beltoli bude ban penbet ikre kam. Bat kinong song snong baban ailat gitra jaka bagi ni penon kame ke jaka jongki bakin rap. Uba banjob ulo kedau bagi persya jorru laradon kino kibai pak jaka meneblai jongki beru gimana bar ke jela ke bami hang ni sekmat ha maulong bat ka sengru kan pet ngor ya kan ya.
Kane kalong kumne nadu mensua ki Hindu bat puja ne. For puja mensua te kia bu halo ding ibu kumto tementa pada one direct subuh wedding tehap kelisuan nasional mana puja kumno rokom puja jabal sai long kumno sitom pang lane ngat kano ka jing pang lane jing sitom te mana bakle tehap sim sua kano kene ba pujari puja kumno rokom puja hangno klem puja tehap sua kan kato ada sibo hangel ladon kato mane ladon kato ka mandir ke to bulai labo kumto pi oding kulmar hanto jawab langat kumno sitom te jenjar mangi em lasai ongo kasnong labo kumta lah bo kumta ta kan te penbet sahabat kasnong te saya hot kan
kajingwan jingi ha kalor jaka te alor ka men hakini kita yau ki baladap kadan kajing ujuan nakal yang gini kita jaka ki badai ki pradok prosnam jungi ya kajing bam yo juki yo lat ban tung ban tep ban rep ban reng hakini ki jaka te kadon haki we pat ki banai ki bladep ngilat don kajing ya keren ban irang ba nang ni ba dei ba pet ben chat nang ni namarkan ni kadai kapo ka ilaka Maulong te habang ila ewan ban penbet ila pen iba kadai ni ke jaka ka ba kita ki metemen jung ini nadu mensua kila ai ya kadai ke jaka te tingi la ya keren bi ni ba yang tak ke jaka ka beli abis na mendel di kamat sahi kata ke mandir ngin mitawi kata keniam rei kini ki jaka ki badang light te ailat pat kini kita jaka bakin yo ban tung ban tep ban kamai ban yo ka jamit step na ini jaka bagi dan hang ni namar ka jingut kita ka dia kata ka bentapi tina kaleng jungi ka seng rumis no pa badi saudar ru ide ban simkia ban penbait lang bat kini ki brief badan hakani ke snong kini ki cai bendu badan ha snong mo ani penbait kanang ba ini try ru nani syakmat inyo no ken kalat ka lenti ba in pen kami kini ke jaka kum kata ka jaka benyo ya ka lat kamai kaji ne ban kentu ya saudar berdipek ya kini ke ilaka bat kumju ya kini ki rang ba snong bade inchat kini ke jaka kanang nani syakmat hiru bahkan numdon syuban mi dak we pat ke mandir hakani ke jaka ke area ke bade ke ilaka maulong i ke baladon kasa bat ngisngo ban ong bangi persyaru ladaki wan deki we pat ki mandir ki banwan ban tau hang ni ya kita ki jaka mani blai jongki namar bakani kade ke jaka ri kenti ya ka bala sambha na du kilong shua man shua te kan mento yu ba kita ke jat bendu jungi kin du ya ka kindon ya ka jaka hang ni haba kimyo ya kata kalat kamai kaji ba pilai inuksa hang tai kadon ke bamenta kila persyang ban mani blai haki trading ki traisi te kani kalong ke bapentut ya ka trikam trijam jong ki paradok prasam jungi namar kin sungnut ban lek namar kadon mo kajing syak penting ba hakani ke jaka pimlong ban trai namar kade ke jaka ka bala le niam le rukom hendrai kajing le niam rukom se haba kaladon ke mandir ka sa tang ke mandir kam dei pat ban pur se kiding si klau ki betap tangi kani ka seng ka soba nong bala da kalong ni ka seng ni syakmat ka sabut dien bat kan wan hiban jurip lagi pos ki pos ada kaya long gumni ka seng kan yang persyajur ka ban siru bahaban banum ailat syuk bakin wan ku kini ki jing dia ki bakin ya bu ya ki jing mani belai ha ki ding ki si ki ba ki trai ri termuluk jungi ki don kami kalak kami keji
Ka ilaka maulong hakala asing ublay jong katayo kalapin bana ba nadu kesenem banwan kan sya asyo panai kerteng yaki shnong hakaktian nong wei bat kan pen kelabe no syakaktian kasi ka ilaka maulong kalapin bana ba kesenem temai arajar arpun rio kan sedang no kakam ban penam yaki kerteng shnong kibelajar kaktian jong bana bar kejela bat pen kela syakaktian kasi ya kani lapan tip do sedar ke maulong uba SK lalu hakakat santrek no pra arajar rapusan hadian bagi HNYF kelali IT ki signboard ban pengela kerteng no yak shnong ki beran po ka ilaka maulong usedar ke hima uleto baya kani ansarai ke darbar shnong hadian belarai ke ilaka kan sa ajing tip syaka ki HDC ban yo jing menjor ban pengela kerteng no yak shnong rengkat ke jing board kat kum ganiam gerukom ban sut ban shore sindon uba lalu lapan pau bagalong badan kaman bo iki kerteng hagak tina jong kum gawai ni kilat men pen scam ga kendo workshop jong ki try muluk udang ai kitien ki HNYF Southeast Seora Circle uba banjop khongwer uleto ba ki HNYF kendo gejitmu ban let ban se ki signboard ki shnong da kerteng khasi kum balbo ki men barem reina bar gejik bershayu serdar baikani on le kat kum kariti ke store ka sengkel IT no ek signboard akadar bar shnong Ulapan pauru bagajeng kentua bagalan transfer act kam terika mengenai kejaka bergum tabun ki berego na bar kejela ki yo kejaka puta ban syong bansa kum ha pentha dan ichamati ki badan hado sispa laipun riau ne sispa andropotli kilong yeng ki bayo kejaka shinong rem kum ta ki HNYF ka kentu ki hima bagajeng ki halo kejeng pen ya kene ka act
kalong kapor ka ba sultanan bat lang ba kani kejeng ai ka jongpi nasngau kum ba ka jing ai advan Christmas ya ka senong ke jongi lang bagi ni ki signboard ki ba 4 la sok kerteng ndai ki bangin sapendap kerteng yaki hadian bangi da arai da ka dorbas 5 ke jongi naga benta ban pen kala kerteng ya ki senong ki badon ha kini ki than ke jongi ya kata bangin ong menta ngimpala namar ba ka syong ha ka dorbar mo ka ban rai namar ki baro ki wan da ka barai ka dorbar bat ya katangin sa dala de prai ke dorbar hima ngin sa phasha dis council bat ngin sa yo thai ke jing manjur naka dis council bala itu ya ki komisionong tela da yo ha kerteng khasi kan long ko basta tendan mo kan long ka jing penim ya ka ri ba ka jaj ben ri ka jongi mo ha bangi don hala ka jong ka senong ka thaw habangi don hala ka jong ka ot ke hima habangi yo yala ka jong ka kerteng ka babit ka babiang ka ba yadai bat ka rukum khasi ngir sultanat hi bakan don kum kata nga tharai ha unius nem thamai banwan ngin sala tharai ya ka ban proses ya kini ki kambaro syaki bor ki basalor ma
ban penbiang ya kejakasa na gebenta kinong syong ka Meghalaya kibelit don kam Shadeli Hagalak sing ublay jong katayo Menteri Rangba Agajelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat bad usembut Menteri Rangba Agajelau ba Preston Tensong. Kelebu mau nong rem bantai ya ke Meghalaya House Annex Han 9 Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Road ha New Delhi. Hagani kejengbo mau nong rem ledan lang Menteri ke Sarkar Jelau bakmi ekatna GADU ba Sostinis Sotun. Chief Secretary ke Jelau Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, Principal Secretary Usampat Kumar, ke Officer Sarkar bat kibai-kibai. Ya kini ke jingtai ke batamai ante ke artli ki wat akawat ke banengkong ke ban kentub ki arp saut li ki guest room dan ke kamera sa rengkat bakawai ke jakap pelong jingalang bad ante ke jinglot ke ban kot arp lur tengka. Pada kini kandai ke belatai ke jakap ke badan Meghalaya House Complex ke berim ke belatai na dok sistem syajar kendai sebanyak kuwai. Ke jakap ke badan iway point kendai akar. Habakran ke jengelang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baga Meghalaya House Delhi kedai ban aik jik syakri pat baga jelaban penti kena bagan long ke jaka ke besngot tenat bat ke ban pediang ya ke jengman sa jong kinong wan kai badi ke officer hukum jo. Ulong baga jengnon syok ki kamera kadi harap ke ban penbiang hi pat ba ke ban Meghalaya ke buan Delhi ke besim bata ke jengelang hagi ban le interview ki examine ki benta ke bedai ba ka kya ba ki kam. Baru ulah bata ke officer bagi ban penti kena ba kadai ke jengtai ke batamai kadai bentai ke kedan ke bapaka dai ke babu akamat ke jingdon kam bat digitiar gitar kat kum kadai ke jok ke bementa bat ke bagi dong syoknong ka jela Meghalaya ke jet habaki wansa Delhi u Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagani ke jengtai kadai ke belong ke badan nam bat pan peniru ya clarity bat ya ke dustur jong ke jela Meghalaya.
For other purposes they may be able to stay over there. And as mentioned by our Chief Secretary, I think that state guest house as we have today is one of the best state guest house in India. Let me tell you one thing. Recently, one senior IAS officer from Delhi, when he landed in Shillong, he stayed there in our state guest house, and he called me personally, and he said, "Sir, the state guest house of yours is the best in India." So, sir, that's what I'm saying. I think we have done a tremendous job. And this is done not because of Konrad, or not because of Preston, or not because of Sotun, but it is the pride of our people in the state of Meghalaya. So, sometimes, what happened was, few of them has to go and stay somewhere in the hotel. Some of them has to stay in Vasan Bihar, and some of them sometimes has to stay here in Aurangzeb Road. And doing that, I could see that a lot of dislocation takes place because they don't get time, they don't get a proper place to sit down and prepare a subject before they attend the meeting in different ministries. So therefore, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we discussed and ultimately we decided that we need reconstruction and also construction of a new building altogether here in Abdul Kalam Road. And the foundation that we are going to lay this morning is about the first phase of the construction. We have two phases. First phase is about 30 something rooms, right? See? About
24, sir. This 24 rooms.
Or 24 rooms. In the first phase, we will be able to get 24 rooms. And maybe in the second phase, we will get more rooms. And I could see once this is completed, I'm very sure the service delivery mechanism will again be further improved as far as official issues are concerned.
Also, and obviously the most iconic is going to be this particular area where we want this to happen. But having said that, I do take this opportunity because all the Meghalaya House staff people are here, that at the end of the day, infrastructure is only infrastructure. What makes this a Meghalaya House and what makes this a public space is ultimately the kind of service that we give to the people out here. So I cannot but reiterate and mention to all of you that whenever anybody who comes from our state, it is very important for each and every one of you to ensure that they feel at home. And that the new building cannot do. That a new car cannot do. That is only the human touch that you guys can give. So I do appeal to all of you that I hope that you will be reminded about this every time you see a person coming from our state to stay out here. And you can put yourself in their place and just imagine that a smile for a person who has never been to Delhi, because you're always in Delhi so you feel it's normal. But suddenly somebody comes from the village and is lost, but suddenly sees his or her own person smiling and saying, welcome to Meghalaya House, Delhi. I hope your journey was good. I hope you're okay. Don't worry, we are here to take care of you. Will make a world of difference to their mind. Even if the rooms are bad, they will feel at home because of the kindness that you have shown. So I do appeal to all of you that at the end of the day, every day when you get up in the morning, remind yourself why you are here, what you are doing here.
Haswa begini kami ke kubur ke bedangsa ngena pai syasipor, syakini ke jengpan benar. Haswa begini kami ki kubur ke bedangsa ngin penken mau biang ye kimat bukongsan joko kubur mentak tayo. Lumu menteri rangba ke jengelang ke kunhun menteri Syuaban Asyuti ye kinong tre sarkar. Kerpat menteri rangba badu sembut menteri rangba yo Amit Shah ban penteri kamno ke analine permit haga jela. Oni ki kino hekai school deficit lada ke sarkar kampen kiono ya ke dianas allowance. Bamsiwi ketulap khang tala ki MDC ke seng VPP ya ke kerdap jong ke Jante Hills Autonomous District Council. Syapan perah nyutli ki karkhana kok kaki bor peniat distrik ke East Jante Hills. Lia ke KSU yu umat basyirin yang jong melung sosotham haka kot jong ke skol ba Nehu Hashilong. Haga jengra ki adap sis pa snem penbena uba Preston Tonsong ban Aish Paulak tengka ya ka Maukap Presbyterian Lower Primary School. Kajing rakhe bagajing pediang ya ka Christmas lang bagi surjing ruai haka program Christmas jong PCN. Kum sibenta ban kan mau buram ya kelengko senem sengiyap ke prapusan jong unong thok bapau jong kejela umelung sosotham. Ha kesipale jong katayau ke Khasi Students Union kala play yo matdor Bashir Niang jong umelung sosotham ya ubalate kemat jong ke Central Library ke badan ha kot jong ke skol ba Nehu Hashilong.
Ki umjer ha uplang dang step ki pernai ngaru nai yang jelang ngalait wat maulen nai na uplang bajurngam karong no kasngi ungki kelingan ngam syakawai patkari kisya la kithar halanti ka bajangai nganja na yang jar bat selem ngan pai kadok nut ru kan pam haba marwei hajangai ki umat ki balang kilong maulen nai mat chaprak
The Central Executive Committee jangka Khasi Students Union rengkat berka KSU Maulai Circle berka KSU Nehu Unit. Hakakat pratrek no pra arajar arpusan kalpli umat jong melong sosotham hakamat ke Central Library Hanehu Shillong. Kani kalong makin mau buram yu ha kalengko senam sengiyap ke prapusan. Yau ni umat lapli ruba Samuel B. Jerwa budu chairman ke North East Students Organization NESO rengkat ke jengidan lang presiden ke KSU ba Lambok Starwell Marngar ki bahayeng jong melong sosotham kinong hikai bagi dikot ke KSU. Habakran dengan negasngi ubah Samuel Bijerwa ulapan pau bagi pom ususotham kidai bekersu thia ikajat benrio bat keberang dan kejingadai bat ngi haduk gini gisngi ke bamenta. Uloong ba ayu ngin lek na kebenta gari. Uba lambok starwell marngar ulah maham gi samla banom im tangelade. Ulapan gen mau ya kejing kren jong ususotham balade ki kensting ya kejing wanrung jigi brug banabar. Kin salong tang kinong tong ni kinong tho diang jong nur jong no. Uba RS tham ubre ubah hayeng jong melong susu tham ulu kentu ki kasi ban kular ban klat ialah ke jong kektian namar kektian kedai kan nam bat kekerteng jong kejat benrio hagawai pat kaliang u Dr. Marbhador M Khamdej ula pensyai ba kejing tho kesengi barem unyau trap ketemu ben kentio ke mensim ki long shwa kenang bagi long dien kin syarong ha ka rong phong ke perthai
bat ni kum kiri pat ba habangi pulih ndek skol menchwa ni pulih sepang ki poin jong umulong sutham teng hai ti por yang di school yang su thu kamot yu isu puli dari por exam tho teng nim la polai pun le jimut ki ta ki jimut jong ki jing tho ki ken tien jong ri andai ngal kham he andai ngal kham san ki ken tien jong gila sawan ban shong dor ba shong subai hapo ki jimut ki jing phat jong kham tam le Kibadi di sekolah, khasi department, bat kumjuru, khamtam kumyengi, ibadan hakiseng uper. Nadu kiporo menshwa, habadan ki jingere, idan ki jingekun, teng hidup mensim. Andai haba ngiyui ki jingfo, jombulung sutham, kai bensim ini, mangim dai, bat sange, ngim dai banting, ngim de bandri ndre ngi ni chkhman ban yeng ban yale de mata gari bar kejak bandri bar kini ken tin jung ru sutham ha ki plaka ha ki kenro ngi keleng makalong kajing ai ben sim kajing kersiu thia bar ki ken tin jung uru gilong kajing bu jing keli ni iwei piwei ngai ha ni jing tho hang ni badan babong ngiem ha ki wei pat kisngi ayu ngin le na bentakari. Kadai kecing keli kawakhia hadu kata-kata yang simet mengi im hang ni asla perthai ayu ngin le bentakari. Hoi iladi simet ni lak benbiang dari ke gan jing no senyang. Senyang ben he ayu bengin no bengin la ben no na benta kecing song shangai. Jong kari jongi haka pateng o benta perkumju ru kecing song shangai ya kari jongi haki pateng ni panwan. Umulong sutham lingba gi jingtho ijong u lingba gi poetry ijong u ni bolong breu bui ijngai la khai u haka spas nem ba khat khandai u khlat haka spas nem ba arpo ban ni menta hau spas nem ba arpoi yang keren sipang gi jingtho jong u ibo peni bagi dang long relevan hadu kan ye sni ba menta hadu ne klemat ba menta idang yai don jingmut yang yai kit jingmut kita gi jingtho jong u hadu ne kelmat mentah barngai manang ni sedien ru kisni berwan kistem berwan kijing thok jung yang kijing mut mar bolai mulong breu boi jingai yeki ki barakhai Presiden Rongbak ne jong seng la keren chipang ki an ki banyada yengi ngujak benriu la kalong ka ILP la kalong ta ka MRSSA ka bala rai dan sarkar dan penterikam dari hadu mentah pat penterikam kajing ong ju sutham kalong ba koler ban im lemar dari sa sisien pat tu be ani kaler makan im dari akan mau kalbe haus na khakan dai spa nyu ndai haus na khakan dai spa pro punyo hagis nam ndai ko ter pat kasmo baka jingling a kajing pisa man siem jing samla jong pat ko bri nyu trap hibro koi halor ka jinglong jingman ngaso baka denkam po ka jingelam ratba jang seng baka le sa sisien pat kan be hakani gari jungi krangkan san igini gijing gijing wet gijing tenju bangi kong gijak mentriu nyai kendu na pawai ka po shoi pat ususo tham haki poetry jong ukuran ru bangin long kum stem peling Usumpeling ubami habadan kono kacing hakari jungi. Ki kentien ki jong u ki penpa usumpeling umi habadan kacing dum habadan kacing batkum kibriu kum kajat medriu ngin lok tau usumpeling batkum kasengru layai long usumpeling nadu ki poro menswa bat hado ne kremat barngai kentang yai long kum usumpeling uban mi syafat ban yale kita kacing ban ai kita kacing syai ban mi kum usumpeling balong kita kacing kermen bakum kajat medriu irang don hapedeng kacing kermen ya kalawai yongan ijing roi mene roi sepang uklur masuk ban pintu kaseng lalong kum uklur balalan lam nanti ya kajat mendriu ban ngangai ndaya ilong uklur ban lam nanti ya kajat mendriu ban thaba kajing syai na benta kajat mendriu wan hapedeng ijing tenju bakum ke artikel balai jog cingkular jog seng kalong bagian ya yang tray yang yada yang keri kajat mendriu ling ba kicing bar kicing tenju poro bar nganget bakum kajat mendriu bakum kaseng hi poro kawai yang long to flor ban lam nanti ban penil nanti ban yeng ban yada yang keri bar kajat mendriu
Kamauka Presbyterian Lower Primary School kabahap apok ka Penursla constituency. Hagas ni palay jong katayo kala penhap perdano eka jeng rakyat jong ke jeng dap shis pa asnem neka centenary jong neka school naduk bala sang yaka hagas nem cajar kendai spa arpusan. Ya kene ke jeng rakyat dap shis pa asnem jong Kamauka Presbyterian Lower Primary School. La penhap perdano daw sembut menteri rang ba ke jela uba Preston Tunsong ubalong ru MLA ka Penursla constituency. Rengkat ke jeng don lang UMDC berem kathan uba rengkat lendam nang tahu ba rabok tensong kinong penya jong school kinong elam ke balang Presbyterian kinong elam shnong bat kiwe ke belas okot ngobha ya kini ke school lasang hagasnam cajar kendai spa arpusan kata hadian arsnam balawan poi ke Miss AW Thomas hakne ke shnong da ke jing tu ban jing syai ba jing start gi brio ke bedang sadum ha kitu gipor kenang bakin nang banthok ban pule bat la ai ru gi jing hikai kenyam Kristan chapang Yesus Kris kinong krena ke jing elang kelero ke jing ijinga jing missionary gi por gi bamchwa ban seng ye ke school ha ka ba kelala ban sei gi brio ke bastat bat champang ke balabat gi kerdan baper bat kile kentu kinong penyat be kinong hikai bakin beteng ban tristom ban kentiu ya ka nam bat ke burom jong ke school uba Preston Tunsong ulai khublei gi bor penyat jong ke school bat kinong hikai ki bela tristom hado ban kenjo cha ke jing dapsis pa asnam ha ke jing ajing syakri ban ai ke jing nang jing start de kathan bat kum kadak benelek kemen lang ha ke jing rakhia dapsis pa asnam ulah penmena ban ajing rap spolak tengka ke senam banwan kadang bagi bor penyat school kenyo ban pedan kam ha kenu benta ne ka ban shna ne ban le kinu ki kam ban kentiu ka bah kamiat jong school bat ki khana school uba Preston Tunsong ulayat de ka kejat ki jaka ki bariat kum bakat san ne arpo minute AA ban poi syukasnong mokap ka babon kiriat kiram Ndrai ban pensuk no ekelet kawan ki patba ula penbena ha ka jingelang ban snai ka surok ka ba ar kilometer tam ha ka jinglut ka ban kot kum ba arpo klur tengka ban penpoi ka surok syakasnong mokap bat ban penia soru bak shnong nong jri wa skong ka ban nong ka jing mentoi bak jing kerkui ki nong chong shnong la pen chong ko ne ka jing rakie de jing ruai bak jing shat ble shim bentar ki khna puli ki bamenta bat ki samla puli ki bala puli hakne ka skol menchwa
Jing bangangit scam lengba jong ka managing committee lengba jong ka balang tongin ya simkia ba ngindang kentiu susu ya ka jingbit jingbiang jong ka school ko jong pi omdei tan ya ka LP Henry what ya ka upper primary school ibabu aisel menai la de batai ke jing don kam jo ke jing nang ke jing start ngakwa kan yutu ipi ke sorka nilaya simkia nilaya tuat nilaya ken ya dia bakot kan yutu ipi ke SSS school ke jing rap na ke sorka India ka sakut no how benai march ar hajar ar pon rio menta ya kane ka school kabadon hadu kumba khatsau hajar ngut kinong ikai ngi hap simti no mangi ka sorkar niladon ke jipun kre kaba kerpang hakaba nadu katulok bat ke jimpnia ya ka SSA school ngin sa simti no mangi nakaliang joka sorkar bat ngangit skem bagi nong hikai SSA kan long ka jingker khu yaki parok batgin sapen benar na kabenta kane kakamba kakamsan kabangi kum ka sorkar ngisim balai bengi kwa ban pelut kambun kepisah hatwe dei bat kajing nang gejing start namar bangi yoi ngangit skem mapi ki kime ki pa poi ki pait ba nong song snong joge jela jongi ki yoi ba ke jingnang ke jing start kadei kaput lu ya kayo kapot jong ki pai ba ha ke jela jongi perokowe bangi kwa bahau ar hajar artoka kabangi ong kata ka literacy rate ngi kwa banjerengkat dor bat ka Mizoram kadei ka highest literacy rate hapo ka India berokowe kapoi kendai pun 9% te mangiru hake jelam mikla ngikwa banya be ya kata katong de na kata daw baka budget ka bangi ngipas na ka we kasnem sya ka we pat kasnem ka bahetam ka de hapo ka education department balay bangi penkiw ya ka budget chungi na ka we kasnem sya ka we kasnem kum mga ong pinamar niyo i ya ka jing jong kinong hikai yo i ya ka jing jong ki nong penia ya ke school ki managing committee but ki nong ki kle ya ke school pi ong ka balang pi ong ka snong but kumta teter kadon ke jing ki kle na ka liang joki but ke jing ka bak ki ya kendu dei na ka daw bang ong pi na ka liang jogi ke sorkar ni persyang ban simti kawe hadin kawe pat but ke jing lut kam tam ha ke jing simti jongi ya ka SSA school nadu uniusnemu banuan April ar hajar arpun rio kan poi kumba si hajar ar spaklur sisnem kabangi ke sorkar jela ngihap ban pelut
Komisi Bentaban lumlang yakin niam bar kidor barsenong baper ki bahap apo ka South Shillong constituency hakasisa jan jakateo balala menteri ke sorkar jela ubasan borsulai ula penlong ya ke jing rakhia lupa ya ke jing pediang ya ke Christmas bat ke senam temai bat ya kini ke jing elang la penlong ha ke State Convention Center ha Shillong ha kini ke jing rakhia ke advance Christmas bat ke senam temai lawan bani shim benta di kinong elam niam kinong elam shnong bagi kenhuan boper jong ke South Shillong constituency benelek kemenlang ya ke Christmas bat ke senam temai Hagabal od uke Christmas kum kadak jong kejing rakhe. Uba asan borsulai ubalong ru MLA ke South Shillong ula jing harap de kesong tengkas ki balang bak gedor parsnong baken yo ban ben kre kejing rakhe Christmas bat senam temai bakan long ke job ber ke basong kun. Balasam ru kejing ais ngobhas ki kenaret bar ya borok ke balawan manishim benta hagen kejing rakhe. Uba asan borsulai lu kentu ya borok kinong shnong bagi debat pen priang ya ke kubor jong kejing iet bar kejing kemen kam tam e hagen ke ayom jong kejing lek kemen. Hagen ke si la yo ru kejing ruai Christmas bele shembanta da bunut kinong ruai. Bat ka wei ke balapan skot tenat ya barok ke balawan syaken kejing rake kare kejing tem ya ki sur jing ruai da ka kenhon jong ka cathedral ban. Mentah katayo UPCN un penibiang ya kijing roy Christmas ke blaring hagi senam ke bamenshwa. Mentang idon akan katayo ke bangi ikan mau ya ke Christmas ke bangi rake kijing wanong brio jong Yesus Kris. Togi nak mi shipor ya kini kijing roy.
By all that you have done, adore, Jesus, I adore you. Adore, adore, Jesus, I adore you. And I lay my life before you, oh Lord. There's a union of two becoming one deep inside my heart. I know that I belong. You have given everything to me. The least that I can do is give it back to you. And all I have and never will be just for you alone. And everything within me cries, adore, adore, adore. Jesus, I adore you. Yes, I adore, 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 adore. Jesus, I adore you. And I lay my life before you, oh Lord. Adore, Jesus, I adore you. I adore you, and I lay my life before you. Adore, 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 adore. Jesus, I adore you. And I lay my life before you. And I long to love and adore you. And I lay my life before you, oh Lord. I adore Nong bet
As little children, we would dream of Christmas morn, of all the gifts and toys we knew we'd find, but we never realized a baby born one blessed night gave us the greatest gift of our lives. We were the reason that He gave His life. We were the reason that He suffered and died. To a world that was lost, He gave all He could give to show us the reason to live.
As the years went by, we learned more about gifts, the giving of ourselves and what it means. On a dark and cloudy day, a man hung crying in the rain, all because of love, all because of love. Oh, when we were the reason He gave His life, we were the reason that He suffered and died. To a world that was lost, He gave all He could give to show us the reason to live.
I finally found the reason for living. It's in giving every part of my heart to Him. In all that I do, every word that I say, I'll be giving my all just for Him, for Him.
We are the reason that He gave His life. We are the reason that He suffered and died. All that was lost, He gave all He could give. Show us the reason to live. Do you know the reason?
He is our reason to live. We are the reason that He gave His life. We are the reason that He suffered and died. To a world that was lost, He gave all He could give. Show us the reason to live. We are the reason that He gave His life. We are the reason that He suffered and died. To a world that was lost, He gave all He could give. Show us the reason to live. We are the reason that He gave His life. We are the reason that He suffered and died. To a world that was lost, He gave all He could give to show us the reason to live. We are the reason that He gave His life. We are the reason that He suffered and died. To a world that was lost, He gave all He could give to show us the reason to live. bauan long riu sha kapurte hajung long retuan hasem kulai ban kha ha to don mo bayo i hang ta em om don nangi em om don bayo i ya ngien sayo hajing wan bar sin who try jisu ngien sayo bauan haburong bagrau jong u wala hasem kulai ngim shim yo i marpat wala hagalbari bat ungim dan ringkat ngien sayo bawan syawyani
Hatu kabyang ban kan mau jing wan u try kat badonut na u kadan chai mat si mai din play you just ban yo i bau wan krang na mar pop trong mi
ban tenin bat ban tem khôi xoay ungim yo i ngien sayo hajing wan bar sin who try jisu ngien sayo bauan haburong bakrau jong u
wala hasem kulai
nim shim yo i marpat
wala hakalbari
barungim dan ringkat ngien sayo bawan syawyani ngien sayo hajing wan bar sin who try jisu ngien sayo bauan haburong bakrau jong u
wala hasem kulai
ngim shim yo i marpat
wala hakalbari
barungim dan ringkat ngien sayo bawan syawyani ngien sayo bawan syawyani ngien sayo
marketplace is empty. No more traffic in the streets. All the builders' tools are silent. No more time to harvest wheat. Busy housewives seize the labors. In the courtroom, no debate. Work on earth has been suspended as the king comes to the gate. He is coming.
The King is coming. I just heard the trumpet sounding, and now His face I see. The King is coming. The King is coming. Praise God. He's coming for me.
Happy faces line the hallways, those whose lives have been redeemed. Broken homes He has mended, those from prison He set free. Little children and the aged, hand in hand, stand all aglow. Those who cripple, broken, ruin, clad in garments white as snow.
The King is coming. The King is coming. I just heard the trumpet sounding, and now His face I see. The King is coming. The King is coming. Praise God. He's coming for me. I can hear the chariots rumble. I can see the marching throng, and the flurry of God's trumpets spells the end of sin and wrong. River roads are now unfolded, heaven's grandstand all in place. Heaven's choir is now assembled, start to sing amazing grace. The King is coming. The King is coming. I just heard the trumpet sounding, and now His face I see. The King is coming. The King is coming. Praise God. He's
Te parlok da ketung ila pois kebekut je ketup kubor jengi mentah kejan mir. Na kaliang pisian ngi ai kublai ka Christmas besok ba bekenen yati baro. Detat haduk ni syambiang kublai shibon ke por jongpi ba jasok.